That's the sound of the day, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Spence, back again. Today we're gonna look at the solo to A Hard Day's Night by the Beatles. This video is part of a series about learning some basic solos to get you started off on the right foot in your lead guitar journey. So make sure to check out our other vids. Anyway, this is recorded by George Harrison. I learned played on a 12-string Rickenbacker and then sped up, but I think you're gonna have no problem playing it full speed, because I can tell by looking at you, you're a great guitar player. Anyway, let's get right into it. A couple simple phrases here. I'll show you a low octave and then a high octave, and this one can be dealer's choice. You guys can pick at home which one you want to play to, you know, wow your neighbors, the cute girl next door, or guy, or whoever, dog, whatever. Okay, sounds like this. So we're playing this, it's a G minor pentatonic scale, whatever. We're gonna be in first position. Your ring finger will play the 3rd frets. Your first finger will play the 1st fret for the beginning of this. So we're gonna go 3rd fret on E, 2 and 3 and 4. So first finger plays 1 on A, we're going 3 on E, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Pay attention to my picking hand, right? We're subdividing these 8th notes, so I'm gonna play down on the beats, up on the and. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and on that and, I'm gonna slide my ring finger from the 3rd fret on my A string to the 5th fret on the A string. That's half the battle right there. We've got 2, 3, 4, and then we've got this faster lick. So we're gonna be doing a hammer-on. If you are brand new to the guitar and have never done a hammer-on before, you can check my channel for some information about that. But really quickly, we're gonna keep our first finger pushed in and just slam our ring finger down onto the 5th fret. Play right on the tip of your finger, as close to the center of the frets as you can. You won't have to put as much pressure down that way, and it should ring out a little cleaner. But we got, right? And then we're gonna roll our first finger backwards to hit that 3rd fret on the D string. And it's okay to keep your first finger barred on this one. I won't say that always, and it really is dependent on the song. But this one, you're moving so fast, it's okay to not really... You can roll and get it super clean, but it's not gonna make that much of a difference in practical use, right? So we've got... We're gonna do that 4 times, and then we're gonna go slide back down from 5 on the A string to 3 on the A string. And then pull off. So for those of you, again, who are brand new to this sort of stuff, a pull off is the opposite of a hammer-on. Rather than slamming a finger down to move up in pitch, we're gonna pull a finger off to either an open string or a fretted note. In this case, we're gonna be pulling off the ring finger on the 3rd fret to our first finger planted firmly on the 1st fret. That B flat note right there on the A string, so it looks like this. And then 3rd fret on the E twice. I'm gonna play this whole thing nice and slow. I'll show it to you up an octave. And then it's that simple. You're a professional guitar player and everyone loves you after that. So, sounds like this. Cool, taking that up an octave. We're gonna find the 10th fret on the A string. Sounds just like this. Shapes are all the same, everything is the same. We're just now dealing with the A, D, and G strings, and we're up in 8th position, gonna be sliding over to 10th position. So really slow looks like this. 10th fret on A, 8, 10, 8, and then slide from 10 to 12. And then we've got that's it. Grab a buddy, maybe you play the low one, they play the high one, or just buy yourself a 12-string Rickenbacker guitar, you cheap bastard, and do it the way it was intended to be done. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions. I want to hear from you, and I want to teach you whatever solo or song or guitar-related thing you want to know about. Cool. We'll see you next week.